very much. No? Kumusta Manila? Ay, mahina. Kumusta Manila? Kumusta Manila? No? It's been a while that the last time I stood in this stage, siguro last year, no? Last year ba yan? Wow! Branch opening. No? I was with our team Elite Pegasus, Monondo. We were privileged to cut the ribbon during opening of this branch. No? And I would like to recognize also, I was able to see, wala na siya, si Team Supreme Pegasus Raymond Tong, together with Choberto, Team Pegasus. No? Now, to all the awards, to all the star achievers, the first time attendees, good afternoon to each and every one of us. No? So, a little background because I can see people who are not wearing black. So, basically, who do not know me, a little background myself, no? Maliit pa lang ako, gusto ko na magtrabaho sa bangko. Maliit pa lang, no? For a very simple reason. Pumasok ako sa bangko, naka-aircon. Lumabas ako, mainit. Maliit pa lang ako. Sabi ko, dito ako magtatrabaho. Maliit pa lang ako. Dahil aircon. During the time, maybe mayor's office, governor's office, hindi siya aircon. Bangko lang po yung aircon during the time, 1980s. So, I took up Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. I graduated cum laude. I took the city board examination. I worked in a bank. I started from the rank and file. Promotion came after the other. I was one of the youngest managers of Metrobank during that time. And if you happen to visit any of the Metrobank branch in 2010, you can see my poster posted in all Metrobank branches. I was one of the first awardee of the You're in Good Hand Awards of Metrobank. We were 20 out of 7,000 employees, 19 from Luzon and Metro Manila. I was one from Visayas and Mindanao. That was how I began to become a banker. Then there was a bank who called me, offered a much higher salary. I grabbed that opportunity, I transferred to that bank. Before is You're in Good Hands, that bank is You Deserve Better. No? So, I was promoted to become an EVP with that bank, no? And when I met this company, Rewe International, I was a cluster head, EVP, and when I met this company, Rewe International, I decided to forget my ambition to climb the ladder with security. I attended one event that was in Hong Kong. Leaders Recognition Night. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, this company is different. For a very simple reason. Award ako ng Metrobank. Di ba Metrobank? Award ako. The recognition was very simple. Binigyan kami ng certificate, binigyan kami ng cheque, binigay, tapos. But when I saw this NRM, sabi ko, ano yung one star na yan? Sir, yun yung kumikita ng 1,000 plus. Ganun ba? Okay lang yan. Malaki na yung sakot ko. Yung tester na yan, 200,000. Oh, hindi na ito ah. Ano ba mga background yan? Wala na sir, yung iba, ordinary lang. Housewife, yung iba, doctors, yung iba, lawyers, engineers. Wala kong narinig yung natay, banker eh. Right. Ako na yata yung first yata no? Wala ko na rin naman ka. Basta like, plain housewife, yung iba, security guard. Sabi ko, paano nila nagawa yan? Yung tinawag yung 3-star. Sabi ko, magkano yung 3-star? Sabi ko, maglalaro na yan sa mga 400,000. I've been working in the bank for 22 years, hindi ko nakuha yung 400,000 a month. But these people, in multitude, hindi lang lima, ang dami, paano nakikitain yung 400,000 in 1 month? Hindi ko man kaya yun sa pagkato. Ano kayang pwede mangyari if I will join with this company, Railway Production? Yung tinawag yung pabo, ano yung pabo? Sasabihin na yan. Walang niya ito I was standing, hindi na naman po, I was standing at the last part doon sa Hong Kong. I'm just observing the LRM. Sabi ko, paano kaya nila ginawa to? No? I do not know this company. I do not know the product. But yung nakita ko yung LRM, yung mga maraming may award. Yung tinawag yung Team Elite Pegasus, sabi ko, magkano kaya ang kita nito? Kasi nakabayad na. Sir, milyon na po yan, inuman? Sabi ko, if you are an achiever, sabi ko, one day, I will become a Team Elite Pegasus. If you can still remember, no, that was 2018 of September. Happened on the 3rd week. 3rd week of September. If you can still remember. Diba? We were there. Tapos when I came back to Tacloban with only 1 week left, 7 days left, I was able to hit Diamond 2-star. Tanungin nyo, bakit? Dahil gusto ko. Dahil simple na po. Dahil gusto ko mangyari. Kung ayaw nyo, kahit anong platform ibigay pa, kahit anong presentation, pag ayaw mo, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Pag gusto mo, kahit wala ka alam, I do not know the platform. Nag-iisa na ako pumalis na global. Pero dahil gusto ko, may mangyari hindi inasahan na tupad yung Diamond 2-star ko. Ang hindi ko alam, yung kapatid ko pala, first month niya pabo. Kaya pala pinilit akong dapat mag-2-star na. Maghanap ka ng creative kung mag-2-star na. So, 2-star ako. September, with only 1 week left. October, 2-star din ako. Bakit? Dahil sabi ng kapatid ko, dapat mag-2-star ka na naman. Hindi ko alam. She was running for Team Elite. And I was 2-star. Hindi ako naman 1-star. 2-star, September, October, November, December. When I ran Pabo, nagpabo ako for 6 months. Pabo. 3 months na. Pero wala kang magawa. Pag talagang yung national production mo, pabo. No? Now, here comes 2021 pandemic. Di ba walang tao?
Yes.
How come July, August, September, those were the months na kuha ko yung 10 million pesos? It seems very possible during these days, mahirap magbinta kahit isang set. Mahirap kahit 2 sets. Pag gusto mo, talagang kaya mong gawin.
Tama.
Sunday, nasa Tacloban ako. May Monday, nasa Cebu ako. Tuesday morning, nasa Samar ako. Mind you, nasa Quiapo ako by Wednesday. Nasa Surigao ako by Friday. Because I need to have 1 million sales per day. Parang mahirap pag wala kang team. Now, this is not about selling the product. We are not selling the product. We are forming a team, yung mga tao natin, tinuruan natin, and they are the one who will help build your organization. I started with 4 people. Yung 4, talagang they rejected me. Hanap ako ng another 4 people, naniwala yung 4. Then I started with these 4 people. Now, to tell you frankly, pwede na akong bumili lang ng product, inumin ko, hindi ako mag-resign. Inumin ko lang yung product, maganda yung product, di ba? But, nakita ko, the product is worth sharing. Sabi ko nila, if not you, sino? Kung hindi ako nag-umpisa sa Tacloban, sino mag-umpisa doon? Although marami na ngayon. Marami na ngayon. May taga Cebu, Manila, Davao. But at least I started in Tacloban. Walang maniwala sa akin. Pag walang maniwala, ano gawin? Hanap ka ng iba. Pag hindi maniwala, hanap ka ng iba. Pag hindi maniwala, hanap ka ng iba. Pero hindi ito madali. No? Hindi ito madali. Now, I just would like to bring you in year 1968, no? 1968, sinong buhay pa? Sinong buhay na doon, no? Ako hindi ako nakabot sa 1964, no? So, I am 50 years old, no? 1968, no? There were 303 million high school students during the time. 303 million high school students. In United States of America, 18 million high school students. In Washington, 270,000. Seattle, 100,000. And in Lakeside School, 300 high school students. Now, what is the significance of this 300 students in Lakeside School? Bill Gates was one of the students in Lakeside School in 1968. And according to Bill Gates, there's no Microsoft if there's no Lakeside School. Few schools in America during the time, the high school students were discussing computers. Few schools discussing computers. It means he was given an opportunity to know computer in 1968. If Bill Gates was enrolled in Tacloban in 1968, do you think Bill Gates can discover, can have this Microsoft? I definitely know. Now, I'll tell you this why. We have an opportunity in front of you. Railway International is not a joke. Why? Because we have a lot of stories. Wala na sila, lubog sa utang when this they prayed hardly when this company was introduced to them. They grabbed this opportunity at ngayon, tuwang-tuwa na sila. Iba na yung buhay nila. Nagpasalamat sila sa mga taong nag-introduce na nila sa ayuda. A lot of sick people, bedridden, wala na. I have a client in Samar. Sabi niya, hintayin ko na lang kung kailan ako mamatay. Dahil twice na dinala sa hospital, okay naman siya after 1 week, ganun pa rin. Dahil sa hospital, sabi niya, dito na lang ako. But when this product or chair was given to that person, buhay na buhay hanggang ngayon. One product for 16 years. Very logical. Kung hindi totoo yan, tayong lahat wala dito ngayon. One product for 16 years. Isang product, kahit isang product lang siya, dahil totoo, kahit hindi ka maniwala, maniwala ka later dahil makita mo yung taong nagdadala sa Prada, umiinom, bumabata, ikaw tumatanda. Now, I have a client before Tacloban. Sabi ko, bibili to dahil na ang deposit niya before I left the bank, nakita ko nasa 35 million. Sabi ko, bibili to. Dala ko yung bag ko, pinuntahan ko sa bahay niya. I discussed the product. Pandemic pa yun, no? Hindi ako pinapasok. Pagkalito ako, pawis ako. Aircon yung bahay niya, nasa labas kami. No? This is the product. Sabi niya, Bulet! Ako naman. You're done? Yes, sir. I have 3 doctors in St. Luke Hospital. Bakit ako maniwala sa iyo? Tingnan yung product ko. Sabi ko, sir, salamat, uwi na ako. Wala ka. Yung natahiyo. But after 1 year, siya pong tumawag sa akin, sir, punta sa bahay, I will buy your product once a month. After 1 year, siyempre, hindi ko yung product. Kinuha ko muna yung bayad. Bago ako magtanong, sabi ko, sir, I went to your office last year, pero bakit ngayon gusto mo lang kumuha? Sabi niya, before, no, when I went to his office, 6 yung maintenance niya. Ngayon, after 1 year, yung tatlong doktor, dagdag dalawa, 12 na yung maintenance. I would like to try your product. After 6 months nakita kami, sabi niya, salamat po na lang maintenance. Wow! Now, rejection is normal with this company, Rio International. Pag na-reject ka, smile ka lang. Smile ka lang, no? Now, we have a habit, no? We will inform that person 10 times. We will invite that person 10 times. Baru mo na yung mga lagbog yan. Idarin, OPP. After, on the night, sabihin mo, ito na. This person, bibigyan na to. Dahil nakukulitan na sa'yo. Marami pong napilitan mag-attend. Marami pong ayaw gusto mag-attend, napilitan lang. Just like me, no? Pinili din ako. It took my sister 1 year and 9 months to convince me to attend an event. 1 year and 9 months, kapatid ko ba? Matagal, di ba? Pero yung nakita ko yung opportunity, nakita ko yung how the company tinagawa yung rin, sabi ko sa sarili ko, lilipat ako with this company. Now, what if hindi ako naging successful sa railway? Patay ang pamilya ko. Wala akong makainin, wala akong sahod, wala akong business. But before I resign, tinignan ko muna ang company. Profile. Tinignan ko yung purpose ng corporation. Sabi ko, iba tong company na to. Sabi ko, kung hindi man ako successful sa company na to, walang kasalanan yung company, nasa akin ang problema. Pag hindi kayo successful, do not blame railway. Marami na pong tinulungan ng railway, walang-wala, nagiging mayroon. First thing first, if you cannot invite, you have to change yourself. Do not blame. Ay, pagit yan. Hindi. Change yourself. Ang platform ng dito na right way. Sir, bakit? Matagal na ako dito. I-right way yung company. Wrong way ka. Just be aligned with the company. Railway stands for right. To become successful, you must be in the right way. Sir, matagal na ako sa ilang years na, sir, 7 years na. 1 star. Wala pong problema ang company. Maniwala kayo. Sir, Sa internet, mayroon tag 7,000 lang. Gusto mo mag-try ng fake? Doon ka. Now, in Tacloban, when I started in Tacloban, may nagbibinta doon tag 10,000. Sabi ko, no? Bago ba ako, look at this. I resigned from my job. I wanted to focus on railway, doing the right way. Then, after a few days, may nagbibinta doon tag 10,000 per bottle. I bought plane ticket, pumunta ko sa office. Siyempre, pag urgent, mahal. Pumunta sa office with a very simple question. May nabibinta doon sa Tacloban, 10,000 per bottle. Ano ang sagot? Tignan mo, hindi pumunta dito. Ang sagot, just continue doing the right way. Ang tanong,
Sa Japan.
sana yung mga tao nagbibinta ng 10,000 per bottle? Wala.
Pagaling ang mga nasa ibang bansa.
You cannot survive. You cannot survive. Ang tanong, totoo ba yung bininta nyo o hindi? Number one question. Because we have an
Wala
office.
na daw eh.
Bakit nagbibinta ng 7,000? Mali pala yung office natin. May problema pala yung office natin, no? Now, number two. Sabihin natin, totoo yung product nila. Number two, when we presented the business plan, yung anak nag-attend. Mayroon palang ganyan. Kasi yung mama ko, marami nang nirefer doon sa kabila. Doon sa kabila. Bakit walang na-receive? Katanggap. Yung tinawagan na yung tao na yung hindi siya sa'yo. Ang dami na kulit-kulit na. Tinawagan, hindi siya sagot. And she has to stop doing. Simply because hindi siya nag-right way. Simple na po. May system tayo, just follow. The company spent how many millions of dollars to have this system? Tapos baguhin mo lang. Baguhin mo lang. May system na, just follow it. Sundan lang. No? Sundan lang. Ask the most successful people. Yung mga top natin sa Pilipinas lang. Hindi po nabibinta yung mga tao. We are not selling the product. We are building a team. We are looking for leaders, helping them to improve their life. Hindi po kami nagbibinta-binta dito. Pag nagbibinta ka ng product, halo ka doon. Inalo ka. Makakabinta ka. Yes, makakabinta ka. But you are teaching also your people, binta-binta, mga house-to-house ka mo. You will not attend events like this. Rainbow International is events. LRN, OPP, Leaders Recognition Night, Leaders Sharing. Ito po. If you cannot bring people here, magbinta-binta kayo, you will end up talagang mag-stop kayo sa business. For a very simple reason. Pag na-reject ka, nagbinta ka, solo mo yung rejection, depressed ka. Depressed ka. Tapos punta ka sa iba, rejected ka, dalawa na. 200% ka na. Tatlo, 300 ka na. But if you bring people here, if they will believe or not, okay na. Dahil nakita nila yung activities natin. Wala namang pilitan dito. But I'm telling you this. The moment people can see our events, it's a matter of time they will try the product at least one bottle. Why? The secret is, you as leaders, just continue taking the product. The business of railway is for you to take the product every day. That is the business. For free or not, pag-start, hindi. Ang importante lang, bata ka palaging tinan. Compared sa iba. Compared sa iba. No? Again, may have a client. Sabihin mo may 200 million meron siya. Pinuntahan ko. Ayaw maniwala. But after 3 months, tumawag siya sa akin, I will try your product. Pagpunta ko sa bahay nila, yung height niya dalawa na. 5'8", 5'6", 5'8", 5'6", 5'6". Sir, ano nangyari, sir? Masakit. Sige, sir. Do not try this product para hindi na makalakad.
Totoo.
Just keep on introducing the product. Hindi sila maniwala ngayon. It's okay. It's okay. The secret is,
Maniniwala
just
lang yung
continue
pagdating
taking it.
iga-iga na.
Then makita kayo after, they are forced to believe. They are forced to believe. 5'6" pa rin mangyari sa'yo. Pag hindi ka mag-inom ng product. And that's the reality. Sino bang hindi makakasakit? With our lifestyle. Pagkain natin. Stress tayo. Maraming journey. Sino bang hindi makakasakit? And my oldest leader is from Lukban, 89 years old. When I meet this person, sabi niya, I will buy 2 sets. Bakit 2 sets ba? Eh, hindi ka talito eh. Baka maubusan yung 1 set ko. Wala akong reserva. I just to say that I have no friends in Lukban. Wala akong kilala sa Lukban. Pero pwede. Again, sa hindi pa nakarinig, I just went to Lukban during pandemic. 2022 January, walang tao. From Quezon City, punta dito, kaya ko 15 minutes, walang traffic, walang tao. Natakad na ako hanggang yung gabi na, punta na Lukban, sabi ko, magkamaliyak ako, gumat na to. Wala namang, I have to stay in Lukban, mayroon yung in front ng plaza nila, may hotel doon, I stay there. I have no direction. Pumunta lang ako ng isang school. I asked the principal, ma'am, ano ba yung kailangan niya dito? Sir, bantay pa. So I gave that school bantay par worth 20,000. Sabi niya, yung mayor na namin, binigay sa amin 2,000 lang worth of bantay par. Sabi niya, sir, ano business mo? No, you cannot understand my business. This is just sharing my business. Tinanggap niya, panay na panay, sir, ano ba talaga business mo? Sabi ko, kulit ka, bukas ng umaga, breakfast tayo. Siyempre, kumain kami. I-science teacher pala siya. Magaling pa mag-upipigay sa akin. And that person was able to hit Diamond 1 star. Dahil labi yung pagka-magiging teacher, nasa US na po siya ngayon. As a teacher, hindi po nag-advocate. Okay lang, no? Pero at least that person, you can start kahit wala kang kailangan, wala kang kaibigan, you can start. Because of the product na talagang maganda. Kung hindi maganda yung product, mahirap mag-start. All you have to know, in that area, isa, dalawa lang yung makainom, tapos na ang boxing. You can strategize. Now, this is a blessing for me, no? Marami yung salita dito. Kung mayroong pumasok sa isip nyo, may simple advice, do it. Do it.
Do it.
Do it. I have a leader, may pumasok, ginawa niya, naging successful siya. Sabi niya, if I entertain, what if, magalit, what if, hindi, walang pira, what if? If you will entertain, what if, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Sabihin ko, do it. No? Now, to end this, no, I would like to say that we have dreams before, pero nalimutan natin dahil walang kakayahan. Yung mansion natin na nagiging bahay kubo na lang. Now, I'm telling you, with this company, Rewe International, you need to have aspirations. Aspire. Ibalik niyo yung dreams mo. Ibalik mo. Dahil pwedeng magkatotoo with this company, Rewe International. Aspire. Never aspire. Next is, you need inspiration. Dapat ma-inspire ka every day. Kasi pag hindi ka na-inspire, ang hirap gumising ng alas 6, alas 5 ng umaga. Ang hirap gumising pag hindi ka inspired every day. Sino ba yung inspiration mo? Yung family mo, yung sasakyan mo bago, dapat bago. Pag sarili mo hindi na bumibili ng lona, cash na yan. No? Aspire, inspire, and the last but not the least, hindi ito, this is not a walk in the park, you need to perspire. Gawin natin. Gawin natin. Wala pong madali dito. Hindi pwede, hindi tayo papawisan dito. Aspire, be inspired, perspire. Thank you very much.